So, hi, hello, welcome to 3C channel. So, I'm Jay from 3C. After a long time, I have been posting videos, and now this is going to be consistently. So, in this video, we are going to see about a software called Gwyddion software. This will be useful for analyzing mm, images, which we take an instrument called scanning probe microscopy. In this video, we are going to see detailed analysis and how we can install the Gwyddion software. And the Gwyddion software is completely free, so we can install it and we can analyze the images using Gwyddion software. So in this video, let's see how to install the Gwyddion software. So in this, search for Gwyddion. You can see Gwyddion.net. So click it, and here you can see the versions which you want. You can download whatever the versions you want here. Current versions are here, and you can click the download option. Linux, Mac, you can see MS Windows. So you can download here, and this is used to. This is completely free, as it was mentioned here. This is a free and open source software, and it's a free software, so it helps us to view the image processing. It helps to process the SPM data, CA from MF from STM, and also other techniques. And also, I think so. We can also do the SEM images also. So you can download, and we are going to see how to analyze the 3D images and how to analyze the 2D images step by step in each video. So subscribe to our 3C channel for in each video so you can see, and we will be uploading. Gwyddion works on all the operating systems. You can see you can also download if you are having Apple laptop, Linux, and Microsoft Windows. So it is supported to maximum all the systems, and we can measure the thickness maps for analysis, polarimetry data, and we will be seeing each and every analysis in upcoming videos. And I am going to create a playlist of Gwyddion in my channel, 3C channel, so you can view from the first video how to download the Gwyddion software, how to import the images, that we have to get the raw data of the images from where you are giving the analysis. Like in our center, we are used to give IBW as raw file, so we can open this into the Gwyddion software. So like this, you have to get a raw data to open it in the Gwyddion software, and you can analyze it. Yeah. So like, share, and subscribe to 3C channel, and for more videos, and we will be uploading consistently. So thanks for supporting, and thanks for 1,900 subscribers too.